Hello guys, welcome to Dr. Science. So today we are going to talk about what are your types of breath sounds. So everything is taken from your Bates book from chapter 8, page number 320 to 325. Okay, in case if you want to read the book. So in this video I'll be mainly talking about your vesicular breath sounds, what are your broncho-vesicular breath sounds, and finally we are going to talk about bronchial and tracheal breath sounds. So first we are going to talk about your vesicular breath sounds. So we will start with a basic diagram here. So this is your inspiration and here is your expiration. So by seeing this diagram you can say one thing, that is your inspiration is greater than your expiration, and not only that, as you can see here, there is no gap. So in vesicular breath sounds, the inspiration is greater than your expiration, plus there is no gap in respiration. Okay, so this is called as your vesicular breath sound. So these are your normal breath sounds which are heard over your lungs. So next we are going to talk about your broncho vesicular breath sounds. So again we have to draw the basic diagram here. So this is your inspiration curve and here is your expiration. So by basically seeing the diagram we can say only one thing. So this is your inspiration and this is your expiration. So as you can see, the inspiration is equal to your expiration, and not only that, there is no gap. So in broncho-vesicular breath sound, the inspiration is expiration. Inspiration is equals to your expiration. On the top of that, there is no gap. Next, we are going to talk about your bronchial breath sounds. So again we are going to draw the same diagram here also. So this is your inspiration, and in this case this is your expiration. Let me draw it clearly. So this is your expiration. So basically by seeing this diagram you can say only one thing, that the expiration is greater than your inspiration. On the top of that, here you can see there is gap, plus there is gap. So in bronchial breath sounds we can say that the expiration is greater than inspiration. As you can see from the lines here, the expiration is greater than inspiration, and on the top of that you are going to see a gap there between the inspiration and expiration. So what does your broncho-vesicular breath sounds and your bronchial breath sounds indicate? So broncho-vesicular breath sounds and bronchial breath sounds, they are present in abnormal lungs, or we can say if there is any consolidation of lung. So what is meant by consolidation of lung? So suppose this is your lung here, and these lungs, normal lungs are filled with air, but in consolidation the air is replaced by other than air. It means here it can be replaced by fluids, or it can be replaced by tissue or etc. Okay, so that is meant by consolidation. And bronchiovesicular breath sounds and bronchial breath sounds indicates that there is consolidation of lung. Whereas in the case of vesicular breath sounds, these are your normal finding. So finally we are going to talk about the tracheal breath sound. Again we have to draw the diagram here. So as you can see, this is your inspiration, and here you are going to see the expiration. So by seeing the diagram here, we can say that inspiration is equals to expiration, but as you can see there is a gap, there is presence of gap. So your bronchovesicular breath sounds, bronchial breath sounds, and your vesicular breath sounds, these are found in the lungs, whereas your tracheal breath sounds, these are found in the trachea or your upper respiratory tract. Okay, that's why they are called as your tracheal breath sounds. So in tracheal breath sounds, the inspiration is equals to expiration. On the top of that there is presence of gap. So we will do a little bit of practice and you are going to answer these questions. So here is your inspiration and here is your expiration. So this inspiration is greater than your expiration, plus there is no gap. What is this? Yes, this is your vesicular breath sounds or your normal breath sounds. Now we have to compare the most important thing. So here is your inspiration and here is your expiration. Now we are going to compare this one with another breath sound, so you are going to answer it. Okay, so here is your inspiration and here is your expiration. So what are these two types of breath sounds? Okay, by seeing the diagram we can say that here the inspiration is equals to expiration plus there is no gap. These are the findings seen in bronchiovesicular breath sounds. And in this case you can see the inspiration is equals to expiration, but there is gap, and this is found in the trachea. So obviously this indicates your tracheal breath sounds. And finally here is your inspiration and here is your long expiration. Let me draw it clearly. Here is your long expiration plus there is gap. So what is this? Here so expiration is greater than inspiration plus gap. So these are your bronchial breath sounds which are found in consolidation of lung. I hope this video clears your doubts on the types of breath sounds. Thank you.